one of the most important things to do for your personal brand is to learn how to talk in front of the camera. It is a big skill that I want you to go and master. Look at me. I wasn't born like this. I used to be scared. I used to be ashamed of doing this something I'm doing now. But I learned something very important. If your business must scale, just see what politicians are doing, pastors are doing, top business owners are doing. If you're a small business or you're a professional, the same thing you must learn how to replicate it. It's not about you. It's about the message you're passing. It's about the influence you're building, the idea you're communicating. Stop hiding behind the scene. Stop hiding and keep producing good work, but you don't have reputation online. People judge you by what they see online because everybody's not going to see you. People may not have the opportunity to shake you in a lifetime. But what if I tell you that somebody's going to watch your video in the next 200 years, in the next 50 years, the same way you're reading Bible, the same way you're reading Quran or reading any material that I've written over 2,000 years ago? I want to challenge you. Creating content is the thing in this era. Building your personal brand is the only way to make impact, make money, and stay relevant in any industry. If you ignore it, people will ignore your brand, ignore your business, and then when you retire from your active work, there is nothing else left than to just sit beside the ship, beside the ocean, and then everything ends. But if I challenge you today and you accept this challenge, go out there today, put yourself in the front of the camera. And if you don't know how to start it, send me a DM today. Mr. Nis, I will help you walk you through step by step where to start by auditing who you are online. We will audit your personal brand and then get you started on the right path. Thank you. Hi, my name is Mr. Nis. I'm the brand artist, and I want to invite you to something very special. Did you know that there is a platform where you can book for your auditing? Yes, personal branding auditing, not your accounting audit, but this time around it is called the personal branding auditing. All you need to do is send a DM and we'll give you a short form that you fill. Then after filling the form, we will book an appointment with you. The reason is that you're already a personal brand, but you may not be the personal brand you wish to be online. And we want to audit your account. Check your Instagram handle, check your Facebook post, check all the internet platforms where people like you exist and where you and your name is being mentioned. Let's know how you're performing. Let's know if you're bringing customers or if you're chasing customers away, or if your personal brand online